Hey, food lovers! Ever wondered how to take classic pastries and give them a totally unique spin? Today I'm diving into the sweet world of pastries, but with a Sri Lankan twist that'll make your taste buds dance. I've spent years perfecting buttery croissants and melt-in-your-mouth eclairs, but honestly, nothing excites me more than layering in those bold Sri Lankan flavors. Picture this, a flaky millefeuille, but instead of plain pastry cream, I fill it with creamy coconut and a hint of cardamom. Or imagine biting into a choux puff, bursting with spiced jaggery caramel. It's pastry, but it's got that island flair. One of my favorite creations is the cinnamon kimbula bun, a soft, pillowy pastry, kissed with cinnamon, and finished with a sprinkle of toasted, desiccated coconut. It's my take on the classic kimbula banis, but with a patisserie vibe. What I love most is how these flavors tell a story. When I add a little pandan to a tart or mix sweet mango into a frangipane, I'm blending my roots with classic techniques. Pastry isn't just about butter and sugar. It's about memories, family, and that moment when you taste something new but somehow it feels like home. So if you're ready to level up your pastry game and impress your friends, don't be afraid to experiment. Grab some coconut, play with spices, and bring a little Sri Lankan magic to your next dessert. Trust me, your kitchen will smell amazing, and your guests will be begging for seconds. Let's keep baking, keep tasting, and keep sharing the sweetness. Until next time, happy baking.